Auto snap. When it comes to the world of trucks, few names command as much respect as the Ford F-150 Raptor. Now, the 2026 Ford F-150 Raptor Shelby takes that reputation to unparalleled heights. This isn't just a truck, it's a statement of power, performance, and sheer dominance, earning its title as the king of trucks. Shelby has taken the already capable Raptor and elevated it with enhancements that combine off-road prowess, luxury, and jaw-dropping performance. At its heart lies a monster under the hood, a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine. This beast delivers a staggering 800 horsepower, making it not only a truck that can conquer rugged trails, but also one that can leave sports cars in the dust. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, the Shelby Raptor provides smooth yet aggressive shifts, ensuring power delivery is always on point. Whether you're roaring down the highway or crawling over rocky terrain, this truck has the versatility to dominate in any situation. The exterior of the 2026 Shelby Raptor is nothing short of breathtaking. Its bold and aggressive design features a wider stance, flared fenders, and custom Shelby badging that sets it apart from the standard Raptor. Up front, the signature Shelby grille and upgraded LED lighting enhance its intimidating presence. The truck sits on massive 37-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain tires wrapped around forged alloy wheels, providing unmatched grip and durability for any adventure. The addition of functional hood vents and aerodynamic tweaks not only add to its striking appearance, but also improve cooling and performance. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that blends rugged capability with premium refinement. Shelby has outfitted the interior with high-quality leather and carbon fiber accents, ensuring both durability and sophistication. Embroidered Shelby logos on the seats, custom stitching, and unique floor mats remind you that this is no ordinary truck. The latest Ford Sync infotainment system provides seamless connectivity, with a large touchscreen that supports navigation, entertainment, and advanced driver assistance features. From ventilated seats to a premium sound system, the Shelby Raptor offers a driving experience that's as luxurious as it is thrilling. What sets the Shelby Raptor apart is its off-road capability. Equipped with upgraded Fox Live valve shocks, it's designed to handle the harshest conditions with ease. The suspension system automatically adjusts to varying terrain, providing exceptional comfort and control, whether you're tackling sand dunes, rocky trails, or muddy paths. Skid plates, reinforced bumpers, and a high ground clearance ensure this truck can take a beating and keep going. Shelby also offers a range of optional accessories, from auxiliary lighting to custom racks, allowing owners to tailor their Raptor to their specific adventures. Fuel efficiency might not be its strongest suit, but when you're commanding 800 horsepower in a truck of this magnitude, efficiency takes a backseat to performance. However, with an extended fuel tank and intelligent power management systems, the Shelby Raptor ensures you can go farther before needing to refuel. It's built for those who crave excitement and are willing to trade a few extra stops at the pump for the thrill of unparalleled performance. The 2026 Ford F-150 Raptor Shelby isn't just a truck, it's a statement of automotive excellence. From its supercharged engine to its luxurious interior and unstoppable off-road capability, this vehicle is a dream come true for truck enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. Shelby has taken an icon and turned it into a masterpiece, setting a new benchmark for what a performance truck can be. If you're looking for a vehicle that can dominate on the trails, impress on the streets, and deliver thrills like no other, the Shelby Raptor is in a league of its own.